Hey everybody, this is Darryl at hudsonscustommachining.com. I've got here an Emerson fan that my ham radio friend James Smith, N4ATG, down in Tifton, Georgia, brought to me last October. I think James found this old fan out in a barn somewhere, and he brought it to me and set it right here on this old nail keg back in October last year, and this is where it's sit ever since. Old fan's pretty rough, but this is the candidate for probably my next restoration project. I'll restore this one. This is a 27666. It's a 27 series, which means brass blade steel cage typically. And if we look at the motor tag here, I don't know if we can make this out or not yet. You see up there 27666, and this identifies this fan, and it tells us a lot right within this type number. This is the type number that identifies it as a 27 series, and this first 6 right here means that it's a 60 cycle motor. See right there, cycle 60. The next 6 means that it's a 6-pole motor. This is a 6-leaf blade here. So you have to have a 6-pole motor. A 4-pole motor will not swing a 6-leaf blade. So you have to have a 6-pole motor to turn that 6-leaf blade. And then the last 6 down there is the blade radius, which in this case is a 12-inch blade across from tip to tip. So the radius would be 6 inches. So that type number right there gives us about all the information we need. And then there's a serial number down here at the bottom. This is the motor number. But anyway, this old fan's seen better days. We got a screw missing right there that holds the gearbox to the back of the motor. The head wires broke clean off there, and the old base down there is in pretty bad condition. That's going to take a lot of work to fill in all that pit. And the ratchet wheel that the connecting arm attaches to, the ratchet wheel's missing, and I think the arm is down here somewhere. Yep, the arm is turned around here. Of course, it's backwards. This base, somebody's put this base on backwards. This switch should be around here on the other side. So this is in the knuckle backwards, and then this arm swings around to the back there and connects to that wheel that's missing in this case right now. But anyway, this is the condition that we get some of these old fans in when they're over 100 years old. And this one's got a wire missing right here. It's broke out of there, so that'll have to be repaired. I've got the little piece of wire that broke laying right here, so I'll probably fuse that back in, Heliarc back together. It's going to take a lot to clean this old blade up, but the blade looks good and straight. It doesn't have any creases in it, any wrinkles in the blade. A lot of times they'll be creased right here at the just on the outside the rivet where the blade attaches to this hub right here. If the blade gets bent any at all, usually it'll have a crease right here. But the old blade looks pretty good shape. So anyway, this is a candidate. It's not going to be in the next week or two that I start on this project, but I wanted to go ahead and document the fan here, what we're starting with, and this will be part 1 of a series. This video here will be part 1 of a series, and then as we go, we'll have part 2, part 3, I guess. But anyway, stay tuned for this. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later. Take care.